Assalamualaikum. We are from the group 13. We are to present the automated bottle filling system using PLC. Next. My name is Muhammad Haikal bin Halim. He is the leader of the group 13, and the others is my group members, Muhammad Zuhaimi bin Muhammad Yaakob and Muhammad bin Nik Abdul Aziz Nik Saliza. Next. The table content of our group is, first we have the objective. We have to describe the main objective of project, introduction of project, list of equipment, safety and health. Next. Next table content, we have literature research, summation of project, summary and conclusion. The introduction of our group project is, in this project you will find automation industry is using PLC logic control in automatic control bottle filling. Next, to design a simple control bottle filling system by using PLC. A DC pump is used to set to tank to control the flow of water. The bell conveyor in this project is used for moving the bottle in the conveyor. The infrared sensor in the automatic control bottle filling system is functioned to detect the position of bottle to make sure the pump can be functioned at the right time. The system will operation when detect the bottle under the tank. The pump is start the operation and the bottle is filled by water. This system is easy technology in industry to maintain and smooth operation to give highest profit to company. An example for this industry is chili sauce industries, soy sauce shop, juice shop and other beverage industry. Okay. For the safety and health precaution regulation while handling system in this project is, first, you do not sit, stand or walk on conveyor. Make sure conveyor control are operating. Keep hair, clothing, jewelry and other loose item away. Follow lockout or take out procedure. And the last is, check that all conveyor guards are in place. Okay, objective. There are 4 elements important in this project is, okay, first, analyze the PLC programming using Omron CP1E series to control automation system for automated controller filling system based on PLC. Then we have solve to engineering problem in PLC programming to programmer, testing and troubleshooting by using CX programmer. The third objective is to observe and analyze the operation of the project by using Flowchart and work online simulator. Okay, the last objective is to design, develop and monitor automatic bottle filling system using PLC. Okay, this is the equipment and the component that we have to use to develop and to construct the bottle filling automatic system. First, we have DC pump to control the water flow by using the conveyor. We have PLC CP1E as the main of the project to make sure the operation of the system is run, and we have push button start and stop to run the project. Solenoid valve to fill up the liquid or water from the tank to the bottle. brushless DC motor to run the conveyor. Pulley is a mechanism that have used in the conveyor. Bearing is to make sure the bell conveyor is run up. Infrared sensor to detect the position of bottle, and the bell conveyor is used for mechanism that will move the bottle forward. Okay, next. Okay, the other safety and precaution is by using the electrical supply. Never touch or try repairing any electrical equipment or circuit with wet hand. It will increase the conductivity of the electric current. Okay. Second is never use equipment with farid code, damaged insulation or broken plug. And the last one is always use upright insulated rubber glove and goggles while working on any branch circuit or any another electrical circuit. Okay, this is our schematic diagram for automatic control filling bottle. We have push button as to start and to stop the conveyor. We have PLC CP1E that we have programmed with the ladder logic diagram to make sure the operation will running. That is a simple sequence operation that have used. Then we have a solenoid valve that connecting with water tank. When the infrared sensor detect the bottle under the water tank, the solenoid valve will operation to fill up water into the bottle. Next. Okay. Muhammad Nick will assess the sequence.
So in this project, I will presenting to you our group's process sequence and namely our flowchart. So what is process sequence? Process sequence is it defines the step that is processed by the PLC device. So there are many process sequence method that we can use, but in this project we specifically use the flowchart method. So in this slide, as you can see at the right side, we can see that this is the flowchart of our PLC. So the first step is to push the start button. So what will happen is when we push the start button, the whole machine will start working. So after we push the start button, automatically the motor will be on, and the motor will transfer the power to the conveyor belt to keep the conveyor belt moving. So on top of the conveyor belt, we have our bottle that we want to fill up with liquid or water. So when the conveyor belt is moving, the bottle is also moving, and when the bottle starts to moving, it will go under the infrared sensor. So what does the infrared sensor does is when it detects the bottle on top of the sensor, it will automatically stop. This is using the PLC ladder diagram. So what the PLC does is it will stop the conveyor belt, um, which simultaneously the motor will be off, so that the bottle will be placed just below the solenoid valve. So we have solenoid valve that is attached to the water tank. So when the infrared sensor picks up the water bottle is under the sensor, so automatically the solenoid valve will open, and water or liquid that we want to fill in the bottle will fill the bottle. So we have make this system fill the bottle in 7 seconds, so that there is a delay between the infrared the conveyor belt starts to move, and the water tank will fill up the bottle. So in 7 seconds the water will fill in the bottle. So when the bottle fills up, after 7 seconds the solenoid valve will automatically shuts down, and the motor will be on back. So when the motor is on back, the conveyor belt is also on, so that the conveyor belt starts to moving. So this process is repeated until the user pushes the stop button. So it will run infinitely unless the user presses the push stop button, then which the machine will stop automatically. So after this I will pass to my friend Zulhilmi to explain the ladder diagram. Oh no, sorry, we have conclusion. So in this machine is capable of filling a bottle automatically as per filling requirement, which has simple operation. So what this machine can do is it can fill 460 milliliter bottle in 7 seconds. So this is what the our automatic filling machine is capable of. So next I will pass to my friend Zulhelmi to present the ladder diagram and our work simulator on the CS programming.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Zulhilmi. I will present about the simulation part. So basically, in the rung 0 shows that push start button and push stop button. On rung 1 shows about conveyor working. On rung 2 shows about conveyor will stop when sensor detect a bottle on the conveyor. Run 3 shows about the solenoid valve will open when conveyor stop, means the water filling into the bottle. Run 4 shows about the estimated time 7 seconds for water filling into the bottle. So now I will show the ladder in work simulator. So this is the current flow before I turn on the push start button. When I turn on the push start button, which is 1, the conveyor and sensor will work simultaneously. So when I change the sensor to 1, which means the sensor detect the bottle, so the conveyor will automatically stop and the solenoid valve will open and fill up the water for estimated 7 seconds. So after the bottle have fill up with water, water, the sensor will automatically run, conveyor will automatically run, and solenoid valve will stop. So in the last part, when I push the stop button, all the current will automatically stop. That's all. Thank you.